To walk to the door, you must first walk halfway, then halfway again, then halfway of what's left. Zeno's paradox, why motion seems impossible. The first step covers half the distance, then half of what remains. Each step covers half of what's left. There are infinitely many halves. How can you cross infinitely many segments in finite time? If each step takes any time at all, the journey is infinite. And yet, you reach the door. For 2,000 years, philosophers struggled. Then calculus arrived. 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8, and so on, converges to 1. Each step takes half the time too, so the total time is finite as well. Math solves Zeno's arithmetic, but the deeper question lingers. Is space actually infinitely divisible, or are there smallest indivisible units? Quantum gravity hints at a Planck length below which distance may not exist. Zeno was half right. Motion isn't infinite division. It's a finite march on a discrete grid. The paradox forced philosophy into mathematics, and mathematics into physics. We are still asking,